Hi, I'm Brian Elliott with Spartan Tool. I'd like to take a minute to tell you about our new Model 718. This is our new cordless drill platform auger. It's really great for lines 1.25 to 2 inch, tackling any job under a sink. It's light, it's well balanced. We partnered with Snap-on Tool for the drill, and it incorporates a ramp up and ramp down technology that keeps the operator from experiencing a large torque on his wrist and forearm area whenever he's starting or stopping the machine. We have a keyless Jacobs chuck on the end, a neutral area where you can hold your hand, have 2 hands on the job, and then it also comes with a bucket where you can store the tool where you're carrying it in your truck or carrying it in and out of the customer's home. We have an optional bucket carrier that you can bolt down in your truck to keep things from sliding around. It has an 18-volt 4-amp-hour battery with a battery indicator on the back. If you have more questions, please contact your local territory manager or visit our website at www.spartantool.com.